Hello guys, welcome back to my tech electrical channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the two different switches to control one single light bulb. So these two black wire, we call it striper wire. So these two black now will link this L1 and L2 of these first switches to L1 and L2 of this second switch. So let's connect it. So when you look here, you see L1 and L2. So this, you connect this to black to here. You connect it like this. Then the second one, you connect it to L2. So you can see it. This is how to connect it. You connect one in L1 and second in L2. So now from this first switch now, you will take it to the second switch also. This one is from L1. So you connect this one to L1 of the second switches. So let me lose it down. So you connect it to L1 of the second switch. Then this second wire, you connect it to L2 of the second switch. Make sure you tighten it well, ensure tight connection so that it will not spark. So now you can see we have successfully linked the two L1 and L2 together. You can see from this first switches you connect L1 and L2 to these second switches to L1 and L2 also. So now let me show you something. So now when you look here, you can see here is the common terminal. Here is the common terminal of these first switches, and here is the common terminal of these second switches. So what do? So now you pick your light bulb. So from your light bulb, you connect it to common terminal of these first switches. So let me pick my wire. Let me pick my wire because it's a positive. So I pick my red wire to the bulb like this to connect it like this. Ensure tight connection. So now from your bulb we go to common terminal of this first switch here. Put it like this and tight it. So now it remains the common terminal of this last switch here. So it remains the common terminal of this last switch. Remember, we have connected the common terminal of this one to light bulb. Then what remains now is the common terminal of this one, which is this L1. So what do? You pick your red wire again. You connect from this common terminal of this second switches to your breaker, which is your supply. So you lose it and connect it. So from this common terminal to your positive terminal or your breaker, so you can see you put it this way and tight it. So now we are done with the positive wire, we are done with the live wire. Now what remains is to take our neutral from lap holder directly to the breaker. So you can see my wire, you pick your wire again, use this one, and connect it to neutral side of the lap holder, which is this side. From here, you take your neutral directly to your breaker. And now we are done with the connection. You can see it. Then I turn on my breaker. You can see immediately as I on my breaker, the light turns on. Now you can off it anywhere. You can decide to use these second switches to off it. You can see the light is off. You can turn it on this other side. You can see. So this is